quite ready for that heat just yet.
Yeah, and the thing is we are going to be really cold, quite the opposite as we go through the next couple of days. So hold on to this cooler weather while it lasts, because we good and well know how warm it gets, especially as we head into June and July, which is quickly approaching. And we should be warm in May, but hey, it's central Georgia. You never really know what you're going to get in the springtime. All right, everyone. Well, this is what we are currently dealing with. This is our setup for the day today. That front that was supposed to sink to our south yesterday, which is why we had that severe threat south of Macon, still lingering right over central Georgia. And why is that? Well, high pressure down to the south is blocking this front from sinking to the south, but that will change today, at least it's supposed to, and that's going to be thanks to this area of high pressure that is really going to dominate the eastern half of the United States and bring in a wedge for us. And if you've lived here long enough, you know what the wedge is. That brings in that cooler air, also can make it feel a little bit misty out there. And what it's going to do for us today is prevent any kind of thunderstorm activity, mainly if you're north of Macon. Right now, we do have a couple of showers starting to push into parts of northwest Georgia, a few thunderstorms back out in Alabama, and we could have a few thunderstorms mainly south of Macon. We do have that marginal threat for severe weather in our southernmost counties today, but that threat looks fairly unimpressive for us. Right now, some rain is starting to push into Upson and Taylor County, heads up in Crawford and Monroe County. Also in Lamar County, a couple of heavier downpours up towards the metro Atlanta area. And we will have a chance for a couple of heavy downpours today. We still have a lot of moisture to work with. But when it comes to thunderstorm activity, that should stay mainly south of Macon for the day. That wedge never really makes it into our southern counties, so our southern counties, if you're south of Macon, not really going to be under the influence and reap the benefits of really that protection from thunderstorms. So you can see this light green color, that's just your general run-of-the-mill regular thunderstorms. That severe threat does push into the southernmost parts of our southernmost counties. So could we have a strong storm today? Sure. It doesn't look very impressive. If we were to see any kind of strong to severe storm today, it would be in the afternoon hours between around 3 and 6 o'clock, so heading into the early evening. But our fuel for thunderstorms today doesn't necessarily look very impressive, but we'll still keep an eye on it. Most of us, though, will experience on and off rain for the day today. Let's time it all out for you. We'll take you through the high-res model. By 9 o'clock here, a lot of that heavy rain that is currently up towards the metro Atlanta area will continue to push off to our north, but notice we'll still have the chance for maybe a heavy downpour or two. Once we head towards 1 o'clock, this is when that high pressure should start to filter in. Our wind direction should be changing at this point to out of the northeast. That's going to pull in that cooler, more stable and dry air. Now, as we head towards 3 o'clock, front will be sinking down towards the south. So south of Macon again, that's where we'll be watching for maybe a thunderstorm or two, carrying some heavy downpours, maybe some gusty wind and lightning. And as we head into the evening hours, front will continue to sink south. High pressure completely dominates the area, and we'll have just the chance for a couple of scattered showers Thursday, not looking ahead to any thunderstorms. Now, today's going to be a little strange temperature-wise. That's definitely a big player in our forecast. We're starting the morning in the upper 60s. It's warm, it's muggy, but notice by 4 o'clock when we normally hit our high temperature, we're cooling down. We'll be in the low 60s come the early afternoon. A little bit of a backwards day. Tomorrow, low to mid 60s for afternoon high temperatures. Very chilly for May. Then we're warmer and dry Friday all the way through Monday.